Do you know we can grow many Anthurium plants at home with one Anthurium plant? Today in this video I will share easiest propagations method of Anthurium that actually works. Today we will propagate using Anthurium baby plant. It will be the easiest process to grow Anthurium. First step, choose a healthy Anthurium plant and check the baby plant that we can grow it. Check this Anthurium plant, it has got a healthy baby plant. For taking a cutting, use a clean sharp cutter or knife to cut it. Next step, we have to clean it and remove the extra leaves from the Anthurium baby plant. Next, use root hormone powder. It will help to establish the roots faster and prevent from fungus. This is optional. If you don't have root hormone, you can plant it directly. Next, about the soil mix. Use well-drained soil mix to grow Anthurium plant. Use a mixture of cocopeat, perlite, and garden soil. It works well for Anthurium plant. Mix it well. If you want to grow Anthurium plant in your home, you can use this process. It will be the easiest process to propagate Anthurium plant. For growing Anthurium baby plant, choose 2 to 3 inch small pot that has got many drainage hole on it. Before planting, make a small hole using a pencil or stick so that the root hormone will not remove from the cuttings. Now we can plant it. Now press the soil gently to keep the plant in the place. Next, about watering. For the first time, give lots of water to remove the air gap from the pot. And from next, before watering, just check the soil mix. If the top 1 inch soil is dry, you can water it. If not, do not water it. Overwatering will make the plant rotten. After all the process is done, place it in bright indirect sunlight. After 3 to 4 weeks, you will see the new leaves on Anthurium baby plant. That is the sign it has rooted. You can check this Anthurium baby plant I have grown 1 month ago and it has got a new beautiful leaves on it. Just I'll take this out from the pot. You have to take this out gently not to destroy the roots. You can see, friends, it has got lots of roots now in just 1 month. Let's check the healthy roots with the healthy leaves. So we can repot it using fertilizer. Now before repotting, I'll clean it with water and show you the roots clearly. Now you can see the roots clearly. If you're growing Anthurium plant in your home, do not remove the soil mix or clean it with water. Just for showing you the result, I have cleaned it with water and removed the soil mix. Before repotting, I will remove the unhealthy leaves from the baby plant. Remember, use clean sharp knife to cut it, and if you want, you can make the roots shorter. It won't affect the plant, but use clean cutter to cut it. Next, for repotting, use a pot with many drainage hole. And about the soil mix, I have used here cocopeat, garden soil, and vermicompost. And if you have plant fertilizer like NPK or DAP, you can use it. Now it is ready to repot it. Just I'm going to repot it and add more soil on the top. Remember, after planting, place it in indirect sunlight in the bright light locations. Do not place it in bright direct sunlight. It will make the leaves burn. So guys, now all the process is done. For now, give lots of water to remove the air gap from the pot, and from next, check before watering. Remember, do not overwater it. Overwatering will make the plant rotten. So after watering, place it in indirect sunlight in the bright light locations. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then, friends, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.